If your Spectrum cable box displays boot and then shuts off, it's typically due to overheating or power supply problems. The boot message indicates the box is trying to start up but failing. The issue is usually caused by overheating or power supply problems. First, ensure the box has at least 4 inches of free space on all sides for proper ventilation. Check for dust accumulation in the vents. Use compressed air to clean them if necessary. Power cycle the box by unplugging it for 60 seconds to reset it. Also, verify you're using the Spectrum-approved power adapter. Incorrect voltage can cause instability. Try a different wall outlet to rule out electrical issues. If these steps don't resolve the problem, the issue may be hardware-related, requiring further action. If basic troubleshooting fails, your cable box likely has a hardware fault. Newer boxes may benefit from firmware updates. Check your box settings or contact Spectrum to ensure you have version 2.1.5 or later. However, older Eris and Pace models are prone to failure. Spectrum offers free replacements for affected units. Contact their customer service to request one. In the long term, consider Spectrum's newer hybrid or cloud-based boxes, which have better cooling designs. Also, avoid stacking electronic devices and use surge protectors to prevent power surges. While DIY repairs exist like fan replacements, Spectrum advises against them due to warranty concerns. If replacements don't work, consider alternative streaming solutions to bypass the cable box entirely.